stationing of the military troops in my country. I really hate it. I don't want it. We don't need it. We're not going to war, and there's not going to be any war in the future. Sabi ko sa kanila, putang ina ninyo, wag mo kaming gawing asok, that the Philippines shall follow an independent foreign policy and putting at most of the time the best interest of the nation. Sabi ko, ito mga Amerikano, buang talaga. Yung style, hindi naman maglakad dito, kala mo sino. Wala pang mga visa itong mga gagong to. Tayo magpunta doon, pahirapan pa. But these are historical facts that would never go away. Depende na lang kung makapresidente ang Pilipinas na tota ninyo. You count me out. I am not one of you.